Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I bring you the 2019 Mazda Miata RF. Now I know the wind noise is really bad, so I'm just going to do a quick walk around and then we'll go in and go for a drive. This is all courtesy of Werner Mazda in Manchester, New Hampshire. Oh, it's chilly out there. Alright, so you do have heated seats, both driver and passenger. Go ahead, I'll pop that on for a bit. Turn the heat on. I was just outside taking some photos of the car. But yeah, this is a very, very nice spec. You have the black leather with the red accent stitching throughout the seats. The outside color is known as Eternal Blue, and it is a really nice color for this car. Now, because this is the 2019, this does have the power upgrade of about 20 horsepower and about 6 pound-feet of torque, as well as the red line going up to a little over 7,000, like 7,500 or so. The Eternal Blue is carried on throughout inside. I wish it was a little bit warmer, could drop the top down, but it's 27 degrees, so that's a no. So let's go ahead, we'll take a drive of this. This time in the 6-speed. I did do one with the manual transmission, or I mean the automatic, I'm sorry. And it was a fun car, but I'm curious to see how this one performs with the manual. So one thing that I noticed right off the bat is these pedals are absolutely amazing. They are the perfect spacing you need for heel and toe downshifting. My Focus ST, the throttle pedal is way down compared to the brake pedal. This, they're nice and close together, and it's just easy to go ahead, put your foot on the brake, and then just blip the gas for downshifts. It's very, very nice. I'm glad Mazda did it the way they did. And I don't know if it's just because I haven't driven a Miata in a while, but the 2019 sounds a little bit different. I know they reworked the muffler a bit in order to get the upped horsepower, but this has a really, really good sound to it. One thing I thought I would have a problem with is just the lack of power. Seeing how I daily drive the Focus ST, which in its class for under 30 grand is, I think, the highest horsepower you can get. I'm almost 100% sure. Actually, no, the WRX is a little bit more, but I have the WRX on torque. This car is a riot. It really is. Up in those upper RPMs, this thing just hauls. I mean, it almost feels like the Focus ST. Of course, it's down a little bit on power, but it still hauls. Man, oh man. This thing is really, really good. So I'm just gonna cut it real quick, get to a nice twisty back road, and we'll test this car out. Alright, so we're back. There was just a bunch of construction work going on, so I figured I'd cut that out of the video. So this is such an awesome car. It really is. And I'm seriously considering thinking about daily driving this as my one and only car. I understand winters might be a little iffy just because of the rear wheel drive, but because this car is so good, that's a risk I'm willing to take. And I mean, if you would just put Blizzaks on this thing, man, you'd be set. Once you get above like 4,500 or so, it's almost like a new wave opens up. It's almost like a little kind of version of VTEC in a way. It's like a new push. Down lower, it still has a good amount of pull, but it's nothing compared to what's way up top. This gearbox is tight, notchy, you know exactly where you're going, you know exactly what's gonna be, what gear you're gonna be in. It's very well done. think I found this car's happy spot. This is a lot of fun. The steering has a ton of feedback. Alright, so I'll go ahead, I'll wrap up this video. The 2019 Miata is so good. I mean, I've never driven a bad Miata. So, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, check out Werner Mazda. I'll leave a link to their website in the description box below. And have a great day. Stay tuned for future content.